Hello and welcome to another video. Tonight, Daryl Pritchard Videos is bringing you more amazing shots with the brand new DJI Avata 360 drone, and it is absolutely superb. We're back here tonight at Bircheswood Fields in Kidsgrove on a beautiful sunny evening. It's a little breezy, but perfect flying weather. In tonight's video, we're going to fly the same route we did last night, but this time we're going to edit the footage in two completely different ways to show you just how impressive the Avata 360 really is. First, we'll show you the standard cinematic flight, and then we're going to reverse the footage so it actually looks like the drone is flying backwards, which creates a really unique and stunning effect. So come and join me tonight here in Kidsgrove as we take to the skies once again with the incredible DJI Avata 360.
Capturing moments, creating memories. And welcome to our channel.
so much for watching this amazing footage we've captured tonight with the DJI Avata 360. We've got some big plans for this drone, and there's a lot more spectacular aerial footage coming your way very soon. We hope you've enjoyed tonight's beautiful 360-degree views here in Kidsgrove. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another adventure. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon on the next gorgeous video in 360.